Welcome to our Sree Tantric Astrology YouTube channel. This is our video regarding our products which we are going to display to our followers of Sree Tantric Astrology who are all worldwide. They are there. As they don't know Tamil, so we are trying to give our maximum English whichever I know. This is about our product which is a purest form of ghee which is called as Kaaram Pasu ghee. In Tamil we say as Kaaram Pasu ghee. What does it mean? This is made of 100% purest form of Indian desi cows, out of which the black colored desi cow, it is full of black in color as per the spiritual belief. So whoever is consuming like this Kaaram Pasu ghee will be blessed of Lord and Goddess Mahalakshmi and Narayana. Apart from this thing, this Kaaram Pasu ghee is like when you are having it, not only lighting it in a lamp or diya, it also whenever you are having it in your body, like the Kaaram Pasu ghee, like it also acts as a catalyst pole to remove the toxic which has been made of by consuming lots of medicines and all these things. It is containing like detoxic material which reduces the toxic things which is inside our stomach. As we call it in spiritual belief, all the toxic things which will be burnt in Manipuraka and in Anagata, it removes all these things as per the process of spiritual healing also. And also to this, whoever is having, as per the spiritual belief, whoever is having karma dosha, they will not be able, some people will not be able to perform very big ajna or homam or spiritual beliefs. So they can alternatively they can use Kaaram Pasu ghee at their home and in their office. So whenever they are using this, it is considered as very divine. So whoever is using this Indian desi cow ghee inside their house and in their office, they will get lots of good benefits which can be felt. So we strongly recommend our followers of Sree Tantric Astrology, even many followers of our Sree Tantric Astrology uses this. Even some ghee merchants in Tamil Nadu buy our Kaaram Pasu ghee for their house and they sell their product outside, because there is a myth in our people stating like whoever is consuming ghee will have fat for their body. But the real fact is, it is all these days ghees are made through many chemical adhesives and preservatives which has been added to the process of the ghee, and most ghee is not actually a ghee. I don't want to name any brand or defame any other person, but in the other aspect, our ghee is made of 100% pure desi cow ghee, which contains 80 to 87% of saturated fatty acids, which will not be a sediment which captures the stomach and acts as a fatty acid. So in return to that, it only regenerates your body and peace of mind. Also when you are using it in your as a diya, you can see the marvelous change by using our ghee. So this is a initiative what we are trying to give it to our followers so that they can see the real change, because these days because of like small things can make big changes. So other things, like not only by doing big pariharams or remedies, even small things which have been told by sages, great sages, sadhus and siddhas, can also do wonders in each and everyone's life, which we are evidently seeing through our research for the last 5 generations. As you people know me very well, like we are in this tantric industry for the last 5 generations, and I am the 5th generation out of it. So I can assure you, by using our Sree Tantric Astrology Indian desi cow ghee, you can see a marvelous change. And for the transportations, and we have a facility which we can courier all over India, like, but you have to book it in advance. It is, we don't do any cash on delivery, and to avoid some kind of things like in advance you have to book for this, and prior receipt, if you are requiring receipts also, which can be sent to you, and acknowledgement will also be sent to you if you wish to. and it will be couriered from the date of payment. You can receive if it is inside India, between 10 to 12 days you can, after the payment is released, 10 to 12 days you can receive it at your doorstep also. All over Tamil Nadu and all over India we ship this ghee. And you can also subscribe to our channel if you are the new visitor of this channel. You can also subscribe to our channel Sree Tantric Astrology, which is meant for astrology and tantric remedies, and many other things which is involved into a channel also. For our regular viewers of Sree Tantric Astrology, it is an initiative done by your friend, like your family and your Guruji. You call in many terms as Anna, sister, or whatever, my sisters and brothers and my family, beloved family. This is a new initiative, and hope you also share this video to your well wishes also. And if there is any comments about my English, I'm trying to give a good English, but if there is any comment and which will help me to do a better video, please always do catch me in my WhatsApp 8110933000 and 8110833000 is our phone number. You can also order for our ghee, and also if you have any comments also, please feel free to have any comments which you wish to give it to me, which I will take it with a smile and try to improve my way of English and the way of speech also. Thank you so much for watching our video, and hopefully love to see you all within few days with another product of Sree Tantric Astrology. Thank you so much indeed.